The 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe RST demonstrates the package Chevrolet has gained from their slip-ups. In spite of the fact that this is the fastest and most capable Tahoe ever, with a lashing 6.2-liter V8 like the one in the Camaro SS and Corvette Stingray. Only one out of every odd RST gets the good stuff. RST remains for rally sport truck, and it's a discretionary bundle accessible on the Tahoe's upper LT and Premier trim levels. The RST is basically an appearance bundle that includes dark necktie identifications, shine dark 22-inch wheels, up from 20 inches, with silver accents, a dark grille, dark mirrors, dark rooftop rails, and dark window trim. Chevy says the RST is propelled by resellers' exchange tuning patterns and calls its road execution look. The bundle costs $32,640, contingent upon trim level, and does nothing to enhance the execution of the full-measure SUV. In the engine, the standard 355 horsepower 5.3-liter V8 stays sponsored by a 6-speed programmed transmission. Test track. With its 26-gallon fuel tank brimming with 91 octane, our test truck weighed 5,782 pounds, which is 135 pounds not as much as the last Ford Expedition 4x4 we tried. The Tahoe's adjust is amazing, with just 51.6% of its weight over its front tires. The huge aluminum square V8 is set well back in the body, with the whole motor behind the SUV's front hub line. Chevy additionally utilizes an aluminum hood to shave weight, for whatever it's worth in a monster fix like this one. At the test track, the Tahoe hustled from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. That is 1.5 seconds faster than a Tahoe with the standard 5.3-liter V8, and it's a similar execution we recorded in the Ford Expedition Platinum 4x4 controlled by a 400-horsepower 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. The last Cadillac Escalade we tried, a 2016 model, was 0.1 seconds slower, however its 6.2-liter was matched with an 8-speed programmed. For 2018 the Escalade gets the 10-speed, as does the GMC Yukon Denali. The Tahoe RST additionally was brisk through the quarter-mile with a keep running of 14.1 seconds at 100 miles per hour, that is 1.4 seconds superior to the standard Tahoe and a couple of tenths snappier, and 3 miles per hour speedier than the Expedition. Hold your foot down and the RST keeps on pulling far from the Ford, hitting 110 miles per hour 1.9 seconds faster. Keep in mind, these two SUVs utilize a similar 10-speed program that was co-created by GM and Ford. Expedited blower. In case you're searching for a major power, elite Tahoe to square off against your amigos Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk or Mercedes AMG GLS 63, the Tahoe RST isn't it. It isn't close at all. To battle those fights you'll need to look to resellers' exchange tuners, for example, Callaway, Hennessy, and Specialty Vehicle Engineering, all of which will offer you a turbo or supercharged Tahoe with preposterous levels of pull. Chevrolet, obviously, could manufacture its own utilizing the supercharged LT4 V8 from the Corvette Z06, Camaro ZL1, and Cadillac CTS-V. Dial in the suspension and put some genuine tires on it, and Chevy could call it the Tahoe SS with a straight face. Meanwhile, the 2018 Chevy Tahoe RST is a little positive development.